where you from? You might need to cut your hair off a little bit, gang. Like get some low shit. Then you need to put like on a ski. Feel me?
Type shit. Yeah. It is getting a little hot with it, motherfucker. What?
Yeah, we gonna go down here to this barber shop right quick. Yeah, for sure. But hey, don't do no talking. Don't do no talking.
Yo, yo,
Yo, it's groovy.
what's good? What's good? Who this is right here?
They said who this?
No, I just asked you that for you to
This
ask
A
me
Trey
the
Hoover,
question.
nigga.
Hey, Trey Hoover.
Hey Trey,
Yeah,
who?
nigga. A Trey Hoover.
Oh, I need y'all
Snoochie.
For
fade.
sure. For
Hey,
sure.
who that
Nah,
on the
fuck that. I
block?
need
Who
y'all
this?
fade.
Who this?
That's
Who
DJ.
this? Nah,
Nigga,
he
you know
ain't
who
me.
this is, nigga. This Cedar Block
Who this?
Paru.
Paru.
For sure.
Part of my
For sure.
dad, nigga. The fuck is you
Come on,
talking
I
about?
need your fade
He
right
need
quick.
that
Actually, where
fade.
Fat Boy at?
Hey, DJ, what the fuck is he doing?
You being hella quiet too, nigga.
Yo, don't even bang, son.
You
You
don't
doing,
bet?
bro?
Nah, I don't bang nothing, yo.
What you doing running around that fucking snoochie?
Yeah, don't. I trying to get some work. You feel me? Trying to go do the Windows type shit.
Alright, I'm for sure.
Damn, this nigga getting his ass beat. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not finna do shit, bro. Cause one, I'm not in the gang, so I can't really do shit at all, son. This nigga just. This nigga just over here. Like, I can't really do nothing but watch this nigga get his ass beat or beat this nigga's ass. But it looks like this nigga's getting his fucking ass beat, bro. Shit, I'm about to go to this head shop at, bro. Damn, these niggas went bald, bro. Damn. Fuck. That's wild, bro. Um, let me keep off. What's this?
Bro, come on, bro.
That shit was crazy, bro.
Come on, bro.
Fuck, man.
Nigga hit me.
Fuck, man.
You'll be alright, bro.
Bro, just hurry up and get your haircut, bro. You stole my hat. Let me show you where the block is. Hey, how long has it been? Like 15? Nah, this.
Yeah, it's probably been like, nigga, it's just a goddamn tow truck. Chill out, bro. It's a tow truck,
Alright,
bro.
bro. Alright.
This.
Come on. Let's go back to watch windows again.
Uh,
Oh, wait. Oh,
bro, you fucking goofy ass niggas, huh?
I do.
What you bang?
Hey, Trey Hoover.
Oh yeah,
Hoover?
nigga. Come
Who?
on, you gonna have to run
Hey,
my
Trey
fade
Hoover.
on the dead homie.
This is what we gonna do
What's
right now,
good?
bro.
Sure, hold on.
We're gonna have to run the fade on that,
Hey,
bro.
hey, hold my hat, Cam. Hold my hat.
Alright.
You got it? You got that, bro?
Go ahead, go ahead. Hey.
Come over here, Cam. Ain't no jumping either. Come over here.
Oh, nigga, I'm fighting you. Come on. I'll run.
Oh, these niggas jumping, bro.
Jump in, gang. Help me, nigga. What the fuck?
Even try it. Don't even
Nah, it
try
don't
it.
matter, nigga. That's my homie. What the fuck?
Don't even.
One
Oh, yeah,
song.
now we
Get
gonna,
him,
now we
yeah.
gonna fucking fuck his ass
Nah.
up too. This from that last time, bitch ass motherfucker.
Damn.
Hey, bro, ain't no way. I was
You go
hey,
fuck
take a shoot,
Snoochies
take
on
a-
the
take
dead
a
homie,
picture,
Bro,
take a
hurt.
nigga. Go fuck Snoochies, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga.
Yeah, I'm taking pants.
Nah,
Mhm.
I'ma
Get your
kick
kicks
his
in,
little
get your
sorry
kicks
ass.
in.
Take
Nah,
his
I
shoes,
took a
little bro.
pants. I
Take
took a
both
pants.
Oh,
I
ass
took a big
motherfucker.
pants.
Bro, what the fuck, nigga? Every fucking time, bro. Every fucking time this nigga say, hey, Trey Hoover.
Walk like this, bro. Hurry.
Dude, I gotta show y'all that shit just
Yeah,
happened.
nice to meet you, EP. This is J-Dot, though.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
Mm-hmm.
So, we're gonna get out of our piece. Alright. So before I started recording, bro, nigga, I got jumped in, right? Tell me why these niggas was getting their ass beat by
You
me,
got
son.
hands, though. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Shit, I appreciate that.
This nigga look couldn't lock you up.
Nigga, he in the military. Fuck you mean, nigga?
Yeah, I got a
Nah,
little
you know he got hands, bro.
Yeah.
This nigga got stamina and hands. So
Like,
yeah.
yes, you see, so yeah, nigga. What is you talking about? They got heads for ass, y'all. Niggas got heads. Who wants to box? Wanna box me? Come box me, pussy.
What are they doing, gang?
No, but like for real, I'm gonna think. I don't like. Once I get my car back and shit, settle my shit with the car, bro. I'm gonna start making videos. Okay? Gonna be a lot more car videos than like these type of videos and shit, like gaming videos, but like because I spent quite a bit of money on that motherfucker, son, already, bro.
Y'all took mad long.
Damn.
Bro.
We just jumping down shit. Fuck. Ah. I couldn't get back in that one. I ain't gonna lie, like y'all got that shit. Hold on, so let me, cause this shit is, they Trey Hoover. Yep, what? Yeah, I'm gonna give me my piece. Yeah, right. Nigga said, y'all bloods. Fuck no, nigga, come on, bro. I Trey Hoover.
Yo.
Come on, Trey.
Cool,
We out.
baby.
They got more. Nigga, you count that cop too, gang?
Yes, that nigga did.
Alright, come on. we out.
52 crib. What the fuck is you talking about? It's like, I'm out of fucking. I Trey Hoover. God, fuck is he? Yeah. About the GIO bitch pussy. Fuck is you saying?
Niggas gonna rob, they ain't gonna get nothing off me but some iPhones. That's not mine.
Bro, they finna get some steak off me though. Hey, who hungry?
I got nothing. I got
Me
nothing
right
but
here, bro.
BPS.
That's
I
what
got
that's
nothing but
for.
BPS niggas phone.
Right here, right here.
And these niggas starving, son. What is they starving for, bro? Yeah, niggas don't got no food. Niggas don't got no food either. I ain't
Hey,
gonna
who
lie
else
to you.
hungry?
I need to go get some lunch.
Everybody from start getting they paper up though, nigga. Like,
Hey, look.
I ain't gonna lie. Later on tonight, I'm finna go hit construction up or something, bro.
I'm with it.
Niggas need to get their paper up, alright? Cause
I'm with
10
it, bro.
bands. Yeah, 10 minutes is something, but 10 bands ain't getting us no Glock 40 game.
I'm gonna save up.
So save up. Everybody save up to like 30 bands, 25 bands.
Damn.
It's-
I'm gonna put.
Bro, 20 bands not even that much. You just get 20 bands, you know what I'm saying?
I'm
Hey, I
saving
can
up.
get 70 bands overnight though.
Hey, look, I'm finna go on this vacation for 2 weeks. Yeah, niggas, all my niggas share all my bread. When I come back, y'all niggas better not be dead.
Alright, say that. It's cool.
Go out of town.
He gonna take his bitch on a vacation, nigga.
And see, maybe.
You better come back quick then.
Hey,
This-
Nigga on a vacation while we drilling.
Right?
You heard, Trey?
Again, I'm finna go to the
You said what?
Bahamas again.
I said he going. I said he going on vacation.
Bahamas.
Oh, we drilling though and shit though.
Yeah,
We finna be spinning.
Hey, look though. Hey, Jay wanna touch code so much. I promise to God, if he don't put no type of bread up, he not touching shit.
I'm definitely putting shit up there. Don't worry.
hey, Jedi, hey, look, hey.
Yeah, bro. So basically, I said like 3 weeks ago,
Don't
we
punch
just
him,
got
we need
we
our
just got a put on as a gang and shit like shit
Jedi, I ain't gonna lie again. Why you always
in a city,
Oh,
and we got off for probation like 2 weeks ago. I went on vacation for like a week, came back today.
Not on my screen, they're black.
These niggas got guns, but
I already know what he got on.
I'll let y'all figure that shit out.
You got
We are-
them
we are-
pans kind of.
Oh wait, I can't even talk, bro.
Yeah, the black.
I'll let y'all.
DJ, what you
Y'all
say?
gonna know when y'all know. Nigga. That's all it is.
Mission, niggas.
Alright, say that. My bad, I was doing
Rake
something.
them
in my
down,
head.
rake them down, rake them up, you know.
Yeah, I was doing something in my head. That's what I'm talking about. Alright, say that.
Good luck, gang.
Proving who it is.
Who this is right here though?
What's grooving? What's grooving?
What's the deal, cuz?
Murder gang.
Slang gang, murder gang, nigga. What?
And some nap ass
Alright,
niggas.
bro,
getting me
hey,
out.
Flame,
Yeah,
man.
what?
Fuck,
Hey,
gang.
Watch
don't
your
care
lip,
about
nigga.
these niggas.
Where
Hey,
niggas from,
we
though?
ain't
Where
gonna
niggas from?
Where
Cuz?
niggas
My
from
mama.
though? Hey, to keep it pushing.
Hoover
Hey,
gang
hey.
and shit. Ain't trying
Hey,
to
Trey,
go
look,
from
hey.
Snoopers.
Or
Shit.
man, fuck Snoochie's on my mama, nigga.
Nap
Fuck
ass.
On your
Nigga,
mama,
watch
nigga.
that up.
Fuck nap though,
Watch
nigga
your
on the
mouth,
set.
nigga.
Fuck nap,
Big
nigga.
ass
Hey,
hood
hey,
bunnies,
watch
nigga.
your
Suck
mouth.
my dick though.
Watch your mouth, nigga. Watch your
Y'all
mouth.
mouth, nigga.
Watch your mouth, nigga.
Watch your mouth, fuck Snoopers.
You really take your shame,
Fuck
nigga. What?
nap though, nigga.
Yeah, you ain't gonna
Watch
take
your mouth,
shit,
nigga.
bitch ass nigga. What the fuck is you talking about,
Watch your
bro?
mouth, nigga.
Nigga, bitch ass, nigga. Hoover though. All that.
Bitch ass nigga, watch that
Fuck
S word.
nap.
All that though, nigga, fuck Snoopers.
Watch that S word, nigga.
What's the deal?
Bro, come on, bro. We can get
Nah,
some.
bro. Hold on, say. No, hold on, say. Nah, you got me tight, bro. Nah, bro's got me tight. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Thought he, bro. Nah, bro. Nigga said he's finna take my chains. Yo, what? Nigga said he finna take my chains.
Where the other nigga?
Nah, what?
What's up though, baby? You might
Come
wanna-
on, son. Oh,
Hey,
You
nigga,
might
watch
wanna
your
move.
Oh.
Beat the nigga ass,
Hold
nigga.
on, son.
Beat your boyfriend.
Fuck you trying to do,
That shit
nigga, on the set.
Nah, this nigga in his eyes beat though. Come on, bro. Ah, he chopping? Nah, bro. Come on, 1v1, man.
My
Aight.
boyfriend is crazy.
Yeah, nigga, neighborhood crib.
Shut your bitch ass
Oh,
shit.
yeah,
nigga.
nigga
West Side
sneaking.
Hoover, bitch ass nigga.
Oh yeah,
You know
nigga
what I'm
sneaking
on.
good.
You know what
Nigga
I'm
sneaking
on,
good. What's the deal then, nigga?
Hey, come here,
Neighborhood
come
crib. What's up, nigga? What's up, nigga? What's up, then, cuz?
Yeah, fuck is you talking about, dummy?
Give me them shoes, gang. Shit. Give me them shoes, gang. And give my things back.
Come on, bitch.
Hey, why he in all?
Come on, bitch. Swing, nigga. Do this shit, cuz. Swing, nigga. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Swing.
Not the homie, son. Come on, bro. I'm pretty sure this is the homie.
Hey, back up front of homie, kid. Fuck up.
Get your bitch ass out, bro. Him, ain't no way both of the, bro. Nah, say
Alright,
no.
come on.
But it's cool on the set. Cool though. It's cool. I just put the
Bitch
pain in. I
ass
just dropped
nigga,
2 niggas on the set.
Fuck, you got your legs open like a little ass girl, nigga. You like a little ass girl, nigga.
Niggas on the
Back
set.
up some
Hey, we
nigga,
shaking
nigga,
on the
yeah,
set.
nigga.
We just both these niggas.
Bitch ass
Yeah.
nigga.
It
Fuck
sound
you,
good.
nigga. You
It
heard
sound
me.
good. It sound good, nigga. Look
I
straight.
know it
Nigga
sound
sound
good,
good.
nigga.
It sound good, nigga. It sound good though, cuz.
You
It
know what
sound
I'm
good.
on. You know what I'm on.
Alright, come
Nigga,
on, we
fuck.
out, cuz,
Nigga,
on
fuck
crib.
snoopers, nigga. What nigga, watch that word, nigga, on the set. Bitch Shut ass, up, nigga. Dead
Come on,
homie.
we out,
Nigga,
cuz,
fuck
on
you,
crib.
bitch.
Fuck these nuts, nigga. Fuck these niggas on the set.
We out.
Listen,
Yeah, y'all niggas better shake. I
yeah,
just dropped 2
like
videos.
there's no, like, yeah, that's. I know I'm not tripping. That's my homie, son.
nigga.
What the fuck is you
You
talking
done,
about,
This
bro?
nigga right here. Look, I dropped this nigga right there.
I couldn't help
And
y'all
then
homie.
I
Dead
dropped this
homies, I
nigga right
did that.
here. And I dropped that nigga right there on the set, nigga.
Hey, look at this nigga right here. He's still not up on my mama.
Niggas acting crazy
Cool though,
around
I
here,
dropped
nigga.
Hey,
I
what's
think
your
this nigga
name,
died,
though, again? What's
cuz.
your name,
Nigga,
though,
this dope
again?
boy,
Go
nigga.
get a
Nigga,
head
watch
shot.
your mouth, though.
Nigga, this
Go
nigga
for
is
him.
too active. Nigga, this too
Come here,
active.
comedian,
Nigga,
come
on my
here,
mama.
nigga.
Yo, sit, what's your name is, though?
What,
Nigga,
Trey
Violent
Hoover,
Hunter, Slam Gang, and all that, nigga.
What's your
It's
name
cool, I
is,
dropped
doing the
2
set?
Too active, cuz on crib.
Alright, not
Neighborhood
Trey Dirt, though.
crib.
Make Trey Hoover, though. Nigga, watch this,
Alright,
though.
bet.
Watch this. Alright.
Fuck
Alright,
niggas.
bet.
Hey,
Neighborhood.
West Side
Nigga,
Uber,
come get
nigga.
us.
West Side Uber. Hey, Trey Hill, nigga. Come on.
Hey, bro, I think your homie died, cuz. Check
And
on
the nigga
him.
finna take your bitch. Nigga, deal homie.
I think your homie died, cuz. Dead homies.
Hey, homie, you good?
Oh, there you go.
Go,
He
we
up,
out.
nigga.
All right, come on.
We
homie.
out. Hey,
Cool,
hey, hey,
Niggas can know how we get
next
caught
time,
playing game. Deal homie.
Nigga, them niggas got their ass beat, bro. Come on. I ain't like, I'm not gonna lie. I don't say shit. I really don't say much. Niggas try and test me, bro. Like, yes, like for real. Ain't gonna lie.
Man,
Crab ass nigga.
who this score, bro? The set.
Crab ass
Hey,
nigga.
boy. Hey, I beat 2. Hey, bro, I beat 2 niggas. I want to hear it, bro. I know.
Yeah, I ain't like, hey, who all got beat up, though? Who all got beat up?
Nobody. I ain't
Not
get
me,
dropped
bro.
once on
Not
the
me.
set.
I ain't get dropped. I ain't
I
get
ain't get
dropped.
dropped.
I dropped BJ on accident trying to jump, but it's cool though. 'cause
I ain't
beat him
get
on
dropped,
accident.
gang. I dropped the
Yeah,
nigga.
you know, I bet.
Yeah,
Ain't
yeah,
nobody
yeah.
get beat the fuck up though. Alright, that's all that matters, nigga.
Beat that
Bet,
nigga.
somebody, I'm finna make a.
Except that nigga.
What's his name?
Fucking nigga named Stink.
Somebody
Cinco,
get in
man.
their eyes.
Don't split the pole. Don't split the pole, bro.
Don't split the ball game.
Bro, my girlfriend, King, I hope she didn't see me like that.
Out of nowhere again.
Bro,
Oh, my bad, my bad.
I
Fuck,
hope she didn't see
nigga.
me like that.
Man, slow that down, boy.
Oh, watch out,
Yeah,
bro.
yeah.
Police, it's police, chill out.
Travis 6, nigga. Free the game, free
Shut
Bam
the
Bam
bitch up,
4, free
nigga.
Deluxe, nigga. This the Hoover gang, the shooter gang, nigga. Look. Oh, look. Hey, this ain't they but little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you groovy. Look. This ain't they but little
Get my
baby,
shit
this
back,
the
nigga.
Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you groovy. This ain't they but little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you can groovy. Look. This ain't they but little baby, this the
Here,
Hoovers.
nigga.
Landed the trims when we bouncing out Rugers. See me a stump on the gang, pretty ruthless. Catching that nigga, blow his brains, leaving to the true story. Bitch, the gang trying to kill something. Me as a face in the set, trying to drill something. Knocking at your neck with this tech, I'm trying to drill something. Bullets real flesh, fuck yourself, I'm trying to drill something. It's trade gang for the win. I'ma die younger, sag it out in the pen. Big bro got 15 years when his life just began. Shoot it out, fuck the tears, bounce out and get your mans, This ain't they but little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you groovin'. Hey. Travis 6, nigga.
Nah, I had to replay that bitch chucking
Free the
that
game,
top
free
off.
Bam Bam 4, free Deluxe, nigga. This the
Alright.
Hoover gang, the shooter gang, nigga. Look. Oh, look.
Here, take your beanie back.
Hey, this ain't they but little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you groovy. Look, this ain't they but little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you groovy. This ain't they but little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you can groovy. Look, this ain't they but little baby, this the Hoovers. Landed the trims when we bouncing out Rugers. See me a stump on the gang, pretty ruthless. Catching that nigga, blow his brains, leaving to the true story. Bitch, the gang trying to kill something. Me as a face in the set, trying to drill something. Knocking at your neck with this tech, I'm trying to drill something. Bullets real flesh, fuck yourself, I'm trying to drill something. It's trade gang for the win. I'ma die younger, sag it out in the pen. Big bro got 15 years when his life just began. Shoot it out, fuck the tears, bounce out and get your mans, This ain't they but little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you groovin'. This ain't they but little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you can groovin'. This ain't they but little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you groove it. This ain't they little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you can groove it.
Brand new blinky threw the box out and took the stock out. And tryna pull no sketches too, cause you's a loud mouth, bitch. I don't want no ghost guns. Gon' bring the Glocks out. The niggas always talking like they tough until we pop out. I'm really down to catch a body, lurking for the walk him down. I'm by the baby Nina Ross, Brody by the 45. I heard the nigga popping out. Let it pop it in the sky. Detectives found the body on the floor and then they checked out on my Brody caught a homicide. 17, they sat him down. I'm trying to make his mama cry. The way this chopper crying around, and I ain't really tried, but I could really slang the pounce. And how you always try to politic, but you don't come around.
This ain't they little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you can groove it. This ain't they little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you can groove it. This ain't they little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you can groove it. This ain't they little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you can groove it.
Nigga, I'm fig active. 2 foes get it cracking, bitch. I sleep with a thing. Got a K up in the match. You smoking on that good weed. Yeah, that bone pack. Take a bone from a dog, baby, won't get that bone back. Gang shit, bitch, she gon' fuck because the gang lit. You can't slide with us if you ain't up on no gang shit. Pop niggas, wearing Yankee hats like a op niggas. Drop nigga, leave a nigga stankin' on that clock, nigga. But this ain't neighborhood, little baby, this the Hoovers. Bang that nap shitting on the gang, I'ma groove you, bitch. The gang acting stupid. 2 chops trying to groove you, sock him out, leave him toothless. This the Hoovers, be the ruthless, look.
This ain't they little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you can groove it. This ain't they little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you can groove it. This ain't they little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you can groove it. This ain't they little baby, this the Hoovers. Drop it low, let me see if you can groove it.
Make sure you park this bitch facing the. You feel me?
Yo, this motherfucker trash.
Oh, what the fuck they got going on?
Oh. What's up, nigga? Fuck you in the home. Come on, gang. Alright, chill.
Sit down, bro. Don't ever touch on me again. What you talking about, bro? That homie. What you talking about?
Hey, it's not that deep with me and him, gang, so I'm not even gonna do that shit. Y'all can do, yeah, y'all do whatever y'all wanna do. Y'all do y'all. I'm not telling y'all don't. Is this nigga trying to pick up his glasses? Yo. Yo. That's cold. That's outrageous.
Huh?
Yeah, just don't. Hold on.
Hey, y'all can do me a favor. Y'all can take this talk outside. You feel me?
Yeah, come on, bro.
Yeah, come on, let's go outside real quick.
Appreciate that. I ain't trying to
He's
get
in
y'all.
there.
I ain't trying to have y'all. You know what I'm saying? No shit. You know what I'm saying? Police has been pulling up here.
Come on, lock your dumb ass in there.
I don't got my niggas on the side game, fuck.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, that shit was quick, bro. They didn't ask me. If they asked me, oh, are you from HA? I would have been like, hell yeah, nigga. But, like, bro, why am I just about to get shot if they didn't ask me who I was? You feel what I'm saying?
Hell yeah, gang.
Like, bro, I'm not trying to die, bro. Like, and, bro, you know damn well them niggas wouldn't have came over there, bro. And I'm sorry, if I had a gun with bullets, I wouldn't have to worry about them pulling up on me. I gotta get everyone's number. Everyone open your phones. I gotta give you the keys back to the crib.
You gotta give me keys, gang.
Alright, bet, I got you.
Everybody
I'll do it in like,
post
just
this
give me like
shit,
10
bro.
minutes.
Fuck.
I don't want to go to the block right now. Them niggas is spinning that shit.
They fiends, nigga.
Everybody is
looking for us,
ghost,
bro.
They trying to catch us 'cause we caught.
Y'all drop me your shit.
Cause we caught a nigga named Texas, nigga.
I can't even see you. What's your name, but.
Wait, they heard about that?
Yeah, bro.
How do you know?
Look at the email.
Just type into the sky.
Hey Jay, come here, Green, come here.
What's up? What's up? What's up?
Tell my security allocation.
Give me a second. Oh wait, it's Reina. It's Reina. That's manager. I'll
Wait,
text Reina in the email.
Where's she at? Where's she
I got
at,
you.
bro?
What's going on though?
Oh, y'all heard that?
Oh yeah.
Wait, what happened where?
Bro. Nah, Trey, listen, bro. If they came up to me and asked me, yo, is this A
Oh,
Trey?
they
Who
still blessing.
Yeah, if they asked me if this was A Trey, bro, I would have banged the set. You know me, bro. You know I always bang the set. But bro, like, if there was no reason for me to die and they didn't ask me who I wasn't about to die. You feel what I'm saying? Like, you know I'm A Trey till I die. Like, you know I'm big Hoover, nigga. Big Hoover shit. We step on shit. You feel me? But like, bro, I ain't trying to die, nigga. Yo, we don't need any more fallen homies, nigga. You heard that shit, BJ? Yeah, them niggas. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. We're not going to the block tonight. How do I tell you? We're not going to the block tonight. That bitch is hot. Where y'all going, bro?
What happened?
I think it was Hollywood. Yeah, I think it was Hollywood blowing.
On who?
It was definitely them. Someone, nigga. It wasn't ABZ because it sounded too far. It was either Playboy or.
Bro, why y'all leaving y'all job, bro?
Bro, cause we heard the shots, nigga.
Yo,
That's why.
all right, but y'all in that building, bro.
All right, bro, back up, gang. Back up, gang. We can have bridge too, nigga. Back up. On what set, gang? On what set, gang?
What's out here,
Hoover, nigga?
Help me,
Fuck
nigga.
you talking about, nigga?
Nigga,
Niggas will park you, nigga.
niggas will dead
Niggas will
bitch
park
ass,
you.
gang.
Niggas will park you, nigga. Shut up.
Park you.
Hey, why you
Oh, okay.
Park you, nigga. Park you. Come here, nigga. You in crutches, crippled ass nigga. Crippled ass nigga. Talking crazy.
In the car, you sound goofy as shit.
Bro, they siding on him. They definitely siding on him, bro. Yeah, they definitely siding. These niggas are fans, bro.
Yo. You can't trim.
Yo, you can't fucking see, nigga.
My fault.
Yo, Trey.
His knee was
I was a G, not a soldier. I was
Trey,
a
unlock
G.
this car if I can play some music, nigga.
It's not his car. It's BJ's.
The song
Oh,
called
okay.
"This Ain't Neighborhood Baby." It's the
Yo, you heard though, Trey? I was a G, not a soldier.
Yo, unlock the car. Tell him to unlock the fucking car, nigga. Yeah.
Stay in real quick.
Hey, Miss Amaya, how you doing? How you doing, bro? What?
Yeah, and I want Oreo.
Bro. This is my little homie right here. This is my little homie. Why you talking
These
slick?
niggas is running outside talking about they shooting and shit. You in a business gang, they not
Bro,
gonna
watch
come
your
over here and
mouth,
shoot
bro.
y'all. Like, come on, bro. They trying to be nosy and shit. I'm saying though,
Okay.
Amaya, they in the business. They not gonna get shot, bro. Nah, but they were being nosy. They were going outside to be nosy. They wasn't going outside to run away. They was
Amaya.
Because,
nigga, I want to see you got popped.
bro. Amaya, I'm telling you, bro. Alright, come on, get my 5 meals. I want my 5 meals.
Take the orders. Matter of fact, let me get one of y'all over here. I'll take one of y'all.
Sure.
I got you. I don't even want to talk to this bald nigga over here. Let me get 5 meals.
Let's make some bread right quick.
Okay, we gonna do some shit.
Bro, cause
So wait.
Hey.
Alright, bet. Hold on, I'm moving my head to get away from.
Chill.
Bro, they got a fake hoodie on, nigga. He's not
Chill, J-Dot, bro.
Bro, you still talking, gang? Listen to her, bro. Alright, can I get 5 meals in my
Chill, J-Dot, bro.
let me get
slap the bitch off him, bro.
shake to drink, and let me get
You trying to go construction like again and shit?
That what, bro?
I was talking to y'all bitch ass niggas. Shit.
Alright, come on, let's go, bro.
Okay, double cheeseburgers.
Let's go then.
You can have it building too.
Alright, bro. Make sure my point.
I need to talk to what's your name, bro. I need this job, bro.
Yo, Trey.
What's the deal, bro?
What's the word, gang? Man, people here.
They not professional as shit, gang. If I'm clocked on, I'm not doing them.
Bro, Wingstop faster than shit.
I'm saying
Where do you get a boombox from, gang?
Bro, why is this nigga crying so much, bro? Like,
Tweet,
yo,
gang,
gang, why
tweet,
you crying so
you
much, bro?
tweet,
Chill
gang,
out.
tweet.
What up, the
My
Why
mama
is
officer?
this
tweet.
nigga crying so much,
That
bro?
shit's been passing away.
Flush the court.
This nigga crying too much.
Watch how I come. Watch how Trevor I come.
Hey, where's the
What do you
tire?
mean by that?
I'm saying, bro, like, this nigga tripping. Let's go then, bro.
Did homie just
When
say
niggas
you
break your
acting like
crushes
a
though,
female?
nigga. Watch your mouth. That pink
On
ass
the
Shit,
jacket.
nigga, stop crying too, nigga, on the shit. This bitch ass.
Homie really just said that?
Ah, you funny, gang.
We saying, bro, go cook the food and be a good bitch.
Weak ass crap. You so bitch ass. So fucking like that.
Bro, this nigga on a
Niggas
crutch.
come
And he
outside
talking
with it,
crazy. He on a crutch and he crying like a little bitch. Like, shut up. Fuck you talking about, nigga?
They need to start being a good
Who
bitch
the
and cooking
fuck
the
is
food.
you?
That's what I'm saying. They working back there. They supposed to be cooking up food, bro. Flipping patties and shit. Nigga better get to cooking my patties. Fuck.
Bro, he gonna spin in them now. You fuck.
Let him spin it in and his ass getting fired. Fuck.
Unless we don't just jump over this counter.
Bro, you lucky I don't jump over the. Yo, I mean, you got 3 of us that are willing to throw hands to you, man.
Hey, let's go get your mom.
They down the street right there.
Hey, Jamal, come here. Jamal, come here.
He's cooked. He's cooked. He's cooked, my nigga.
Yo, come on, Trey.
You said what, gang?
We was chilling, gang. Your scary ass on. We was chilling.
No, we're going to do construction.
Take that shit somewhere else. Take that shit somewhere else.
Yo, Jay, you good, Brody?
Me?
Yeah, I ain't seen you
Yo,
in a
there's
minute.
no one in the phone store still.
Wait, who this? Oh, this kiddo?
Sticks. Sticks.
Oh, this Sticks? Oh, shit, my nigga. What you went out to? Tell him. Let me get your number, gang. I haven't seen you in a grip, nigga.
Nigga, is we working construction or what, nigga? Like,
Motherfucker over here moving.
I be speeding in my shit, bro. Alright, come on.
I get high as fuck. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Let's leave before Raina notice me leaving. She gonna be like,
Damn, your engine yellow, nigga.
oh yeah, it's cause niggas can't drive. That's why I ain't letting nobody drive my car no more. Niggas can't drive. I don't care who it is. Nobody in my car unless I'm driving. Even if I'm pole popping, I'm driving, bro. I don't care.
So you
Niggas just this shit out of nowhere, bro. Like my nigga, it's not that hard. It's not that hard to drive a fucking car, bro.
Yeah, nah, bro.
Then you on keyboard, my nigga. Like nigga, that's easy as fuck. Bro.
Yeah, motherfucker, you got
So,
that
yeah,
shit
yeah,
is
like you don't
sensitive as
control it.
fuck, bro. Like,
Oh, God, yeah,
you about to
like
hit
he
something,
don't
nigga?
control
Move out the fucking way. It's not like controller and shit.
Right,
Hit the
nigga, I'll
motherfucker.
drive better on keyboard than I do on controller.
Ain't gonna lie, that shit was fire.
Oh God, that's
Just made that bitch orange.
damn. Yeah, tattoo shop. I was like, damn, I'm going the wrong way.
Low and biscotti and frosties.
Alright, back
Tax on. Bro, I didn't like. Bro, if I would have known that, son, nigga, bro, I would have kept that shit. I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. I wouldn't even took this nigga money, bro. Oh, there's truffles. Okay, okay. Yeah, I want you buying the truffles though, shorty. That shit strong as fuck, boy. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. That shit strong as hell, boy. Damn, boy. Yeah, she bought my shit.
How much?
520 for 4.
Damn, this the op right here. Op block.
Yeah. Yeah, everybody wanna move around for them shits. Ain't gonna lie. Gonna try this motherfucker right here. See if she- Oh, you slept. All right, let's see how much you want from this. You feel me? Yeah, them motherfucking truffles or something else.
Well, how much you pay for them?
The truffle. Well, the first one it was $5.20 for the 4 truffles, and then she bought the frosties off my ass. That shit was. She bought 3. She only fucking paid 200. Bro.
200. They sell for like 50 a gram too.
Yeah.
To non-resident, locals, non-locals.
Hey, well, I need to try and get some of them truffles, bro. The truffles is where it's at, bro. I swear, the truffles is where it's at, bro. Who that is over there?
That's the homie.
Oh, alright.
No, who is this? Yo.
Oh, this.
Who this?
This ABC. Who do?
ABZ.
Yeah. Who this? Oh, yo, shit.
Nigga said ABZ. Get the fuck out of here, nigga. Hey, jump this on the set.
Who this though? You ain't even talking.
Nigga, this A-Tray Hoover, that. This A-Tray Hoover, nigga.
Oh, for sure. I'm going out with one on my mama, yeah. My mama, yeah.
Oh, they said we put it pink, nigga.
Ain't gonna lie, that nigga, we all hit each other, bro.
Stop running.
Damn.
Dumbass. Listen, hey, get it.
What the fuck you talking about?
Hey,
What you talking about? Don't touch my brother. Don't touch my brother. Don't touch my brother. Don't touch my brother. Don't touch
Bro,
my
who
brother.
the fuck is? I didn't even know this nigga was him, bro.
Good shit, Katie. Good shit.
What's wrong with you niggas?
Hey, these niggas try to join me on the hood. A-Tray Hoover, huh? Whatever you niggas is.
Nah, I can't go out like that. We not going out like that, bro. We not going out like that, bro. Nah, wait till I wake up, bro. Nah. Wait, I thought that was the homie, son. I even asked him, bro. I ain't going, bro. I'm not going. You feel me? I ain't gonna blame it on the homie. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna blame it on the homie type shit. You feel me? Because it wasn't even in the homie, dog. It was not the homie fault, man. This nigga's going over there snitching after we knocked out, son. That's crazy, bro.
They passed out. I think they smoked something.
Okay. That's fine, nigga.
Hey, y'all good? Y'all passed out.
Fighting.
What the fight?
Who was fighting, gang?
Yeah, nothing happened, bro. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I don't know what you talking about, gang.
Word too, bro. Come on, EP, yeah.
Oh,
why you hit innocent?
Sorry, bro. You still put it in ping. In a sec. Come on. We over here with you.
Hold on, let me get my glasses. I ain't going nowhere without my glasses, y'all. Fuck all that. Make sure these bitches mine, dog.
Hey, what?
Yeah, we gonna get back. Fuck.
Yeah, we always doing. What you wait?
Yo, who this?
Don't worry about the shit, nigga. Get your crab ass on, nigga. In a set.
Nigga, the fuck you just say, bitch?
Like I said, you can crab, nigga.
Bro,
Get on, bro.
bang your set. Bang your set.
This A-Tray Hoover, nigga. Back up.
A-Tray Hoover, the Snoochies.
Nigga said Snoochie. Niggas will beat the fuck out you.
Bro. The Snoochies.
Who this? Nigga,
West Side little crit.
Yeah, fuck y'all, nigga. Tell your mans to get his 20 bands
bro.
back. Tell your
Don't
mans to
worry,
get his 20
bro.
bands
We
back.
are, bro. We're
Tell your
gonna
mans
get
to get
that
his
shit
20
back.
bands back, bro.
I don't know nothing about this. I don't know nothing about this.
Y'all gonna get it back?
Hell yeah.
We need that 20 bands, huh?
Bro, 20 bands is nothing to us.
Shut up, nigga. Take that blue flag off, nigga.
20 bands is nothing to us. Snoochie ass bitch.
Blue crab, I'll beat your ass, nigga, on the set. I'll beat your ass on the set.
You won't, bro.
You are not like that, bro.
I'm not like that.
Nah, bro. You a dumbass snitchy though. That's a crazy thing.
Everybody know. What's that?
Jumping is crazy. Snoochie ass bitch though. Man, bro, already slumped your boy. Already slumped your boy. Hey, you next though. You next though. You next.
Throw some, bitch ass nigga. Throw some.
You next.
Don't hit the cameraman.
Come on, bitch. Snoochie ass motherfucker. Snoochie ass motherfucker. Ooh, weave, bop, bop. Bing. Ooh.
Dummy.
Come on, bro. Fall over. Fall over, bro.
Bro.
Fall over. Your ass wanna fall over, bro.
Dumbass nigga. Fuck is you talking about, nigga? Come on, son. Dummy.
Oh, y'all still fighting until I just got beat up? You got slipped again.
God damn.
Hey, get up.
Boy, y'all ass home.
Hey, y'all trying to move? I'm trying to get my car.
Give me that fucking flag, nigga, on the set.
Damn.
Give me that flag, nigga. Take it off. Take it off. Fuck Mellow Crip, nigga. You know who did it to you, H.R. Hoover, nigga. Come on, gang.
I did, yo. That's exactly what happened, but with it was a 2v1. Well, it was a 3v1 when I was getting jumped in and shit. You feel me? But that's exactly.
You whooped his ass, gang.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. That nigga cat punched me. Them bitches did not hurt at all.
This shit hurt me, gang. Like, I don't know what's wrong with my person.
Yeah, I guess I got a strong ass chin or something. That shit's strong as fuck. Hold on.
Move.
Damn, my bad.
Yo.
These
Yo.
niggas.
What are you doing?
I didn't mean to fight there. They was pressing us. They threw first. They threw first punch.
Do you know that if you fight, you get fired on the spot?
We get fired on the spot, but I gotta
Yeah.
protect myself. I'm not about to just sit there and get hit.
Hey, any of y'all niggas got food, cuz? Nigga about to pass
Yeah.
out on some shit.
I got you right here.
Oh, you got him?
What's your lucky?
125.
Y'all are honestly like.
What?
I don't know how nice I could be with you guys. Like, I don't know how many
Wait,
chances.
but listen though.
Okay, but y'all always have excuses. Like,
It's not an excuse though.
like y'all don't care. Y'all don't. And y'all can keep saying, oh, da 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 da. Like, this is the reason why I'll do better, da da da. But when you lose your job, then you're gonna be like, oh, well, I didn't do nothing. Yes, you did. I come up trying to see who's working, and you're fucking taking someone's flag off in the parking lot. And I told y'all. I'm just gonna strike you, but like you should be fired on the spot, bro.
That's my bad.
Cause that shit is ridiculous. It's not even like I don't want to hear nothing, because you know how many excuses I hear a day. People calling my phone on some stupid shit.
They don't got.
I don't want to hear
This
it.
don't got shit to do with me, nigga. I don't even work, nigga. I don't even work, bro. This got nothing to do with me, but I'm finna get a hit. You feel me? I'm about backward. I bought 16 fucking backwoods, nigga. Oh my god, bro. Oh my fucking. I just bought 16. All right, fuck it, bro. 16 fucking backwoods, bitch.
EP.
Yo.
I almost got fucking fired, nigga.
Yeah, that's.
These crab niggas. I just got my real crab bashing. Who's that, bro? Who's that spinning? Oh, come on.
Yeah.